Hello there, YouTubers. Here we have a recent eBay find. If you would have gotten a Sony camcorder in the late 1980s, it most likely would have been a Video8 unit, and it most definitely would have been very, very expensive. Well, for those that still had some money left after buying one of those things, Sony offered this. The BE-V8 Video8 cassette winder and eraser. Let me zoom in and give you some close-ups of the unit. There it is. It's a top loader, very similar to the CCD V8 and CCD V100 that they had back then. If you put those onto the side. 4 buttons on this. Actually 5. There is a power on-off switch on the back. As you can see, we got rewind, stop eject, fast forward, and then we have an erase slider switch, which is kind of cool. Also, we got 4 LEDs. We have, of course, an erase indicator LED, and then we have that little light effect going on with these 3 LEDs on the front. First, a fast demonstration of how this works. You just press eject. It will open. You put in your cassette, Video8 back then, but of course this will also work with high 8 and digital 8 tapes, as there is no recording circuitry in this at all. Well, and then you can push rewind. It's going to do its thing, as you can see, and you get the lights running on the front. Right there, nice little effect. Of course, if you fast forward, the LEDs will run in the opposite direction. And when the unit eventually gets done rewinding the tape, there is another little feature. I'll have to edit this a little bit because it's still going to take a while until this is fully rewound. We're now pretty much at the end of the tape. As you can see, when it reaches the end of the tape, it automatically ejects. So you really only have to take the cassette out, and that's it. I'd now like to say thank you for watching, and see you again soon to all of you who don't want to see the admittedly somewhat pointless and somewhat boring final segment of this video. Still, I do want to document the entire process of erasing a 60-minute Video8 tape. We have it powered up, ready to go. If we press eject, it opens up. We put in our cassette, like so, and we pull over our erase slider switch. Red light comes on, indicating that it is ready to erase. We now have to select a direction. Now, if the cassette was all the way at the end, we could use the reverse. And since that's not the case with this cassette, it is all the way at the beginning, as you can see, we don't have any other choice than to use the fast forward. So there it goes. The process of erasing the cassette has begun. It is going in the forward direction, and once it's all the way through, we're going to see this automatically reverse direction. It's going to automatically rewind back to the beginning, and then eventually it's going to spit out the finished cassette. Erased, rewound, ready to go straight back into the camcorder for some new recordings. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.